Hey everyone, it's Melody with Dreaming of Bling. I'm back with another unboxing. This one is for Jesse James Beads. It's for the Ambassador kit that I got this morning, or actually yesterday afternoon, but I unboxed it this morning. So I've already got it laid out. It says kit includes new Halloween 2021 collection in Fright Night, which you can see it laid out right here. It is gorgeous. Loving all the little, and we'll walk right through that one right quick, right while I've got it there. So I'm loving the little round melon beads with the stripes, loving the orange, loving those candy corns, and I love these large hole beads. Oh my gosh, I love those. And it's got some links here with little cats in them, loving the little face. And I love these little charms. Oh, aren't they cute? They remind me of all the kitties that are living in my backyard right now. So we've got some large faceted beads, some black ones, loving those, love the sparkle. Some beautiful little black tassels. Here's another little kitty, loving that little charm. My granddaughters will probably love that as an earring necklace set. Some cute little moons. Some spacers, some yellows, and I'm loving this. I just love this one. And I love this little guy. Isn't he just the cutest little Grim Reaper you've ever seen? I just love him. He's just awesome. I'm loving these ones. I'm saying I'm loving, but I really am. I love a frosted glass, but you add that in, and that matte frosted glass, it's just so neat looking. And these spacers, aren't they just interesting? Love the textures. So we've got a lot of little spacers with some bling in them. Let me just show you those. So they're just a skinnier version of this. And then some in gold. I love that it's got mixed metal colors. We've got some antique brass, some gold, some silver. There's a lot you can do with this. So the next thing I got in, I'm going to save that one for last, is Feelin' Rosy beads. And they are Gothic Romance. Oh my gosh, look at these. Aren't these just cute? I could see a little pair of Halloween earrings. Loving those. Set those down there with the... And then the other thing I got was a 5-pack of silver and gold Jesse James Bead Chain Reaction. I'm not going to take them all out. This one happened to slide out of its own, just to show you. That's like instant necklace right there. Add a pendant or some other beads, but I normally take them apart and use them as extenders and things like that. Love all the shapes and things in those. So the last thing I got in my Ambassador kit was the bead strand in Jack and Sally. Oh my gosh, I am loving the Jack and Sally bead strand. Loving all the beads in here. Somebody had already seen this, that I was getting this. A friend of mine did. And she's like, oh, you've got to make me a bracelet in that. So I'm probably going to make a couple bracelets in the Jack and Sally and add some other things that are really pretty. So that's my Ambassador kit. Be on the lookout on my Instagram. My Instagram is Melody Collins 1968. And that will be where I post a lot of my finished products for the Ambassador kit, along with my Facebook page, which is Dreamin' of Bling, no G, Dreamin' of Bling, on the Facebook, or my personal page, Melody Lake Collins. So that's what I've got as my Ambassador kit. Stay tuned for some wonderful little fallish Halloween looking things that I'll come up with. So until next time, talk to you guys later.